5 ways to earn money by playing video games. People are playing video games for the same reasons as they enjoy reading books and watching movies. They want to escape into another world, and they want to feel like someone is there watching over them, protecting them. If you are a gamer and you don't have a steady income stream to support your gaming habits, then you're in luck. There are a lot of ways to earn money by playing video games. Video games are a passion of mine and my main source of income at the moment. I was not an expert gamer, but after learning how to play video games, I started earning money by playing them on different websites. I am sharing my experience here, so if you want to earn money by playing video games, keep watching this video. Learn how to earn extra money while you play games online, or earn extra money playing video games with this easy to follow guide. But before, please subscribe to my technical solution channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. Become a game tester. Being a game tester is a great way to give back to the gaming community. If you enjoy video games, it's a great way to get paid for your hobby and experience the game industry from the inside. Some companies even offer free game testing for new titles. If you are interested in becoming a game tester, read up on the game testing process and stay updated with the latest trends. We all know that a game tester is vital to any company, but not many know exactly what a game tester do. Most people associate game testing with playing games or playing a video game, but it is from testing out game controls to testing the flow of the game that a game tester must take into consideration all aspects of the game from the perspective of the players. Number 2. Stream on Twitch. Twitch, a game streaming platform, is one of the top 5 largest platforms for video game streaming. In 2022, Twitch generated $65.13 million in revenue. Twitch's growth has been fueled by its ability to provide a new, fun way to gamers to interact. While the platform has become a staple in the gaming community, it has also found a new audience outside of video games. The video game streaming service Twitch lets you play online games and chat with your fellow players. There are 2 ways to broadcast: live or recorded. Live broadcasts are broadcast in real time, while recorded streams are stored on Twitch server and can be viewed at any time. Lastly, the site offers free and premium accounts. The free account gives users the ability to broadcast one stream at a time, but premium accounts allow users to watch exclusive content. Number 3. Approach potential sponsors. You can approach potential sponsors after you have built up a substantial following. When you start, you will not have the necessary connections to attract sponsors. This is why it is a good idea to build up a following first. You can do this by asking your viewers to subscribe to your channel and watch your live broadcast. This will help you build a following. When you have a large following, you can approach sponsors. The best way to do this is to realize to them that you are important to them. Make sure to include the link to your channel in the email. Number 4. Earn from affiliate link commissions. You can earn affiliate links of gaming equipments like consoles, gaming keyboards, mouse, and VRs. Moreover, you can offer digital purchases like coin cards or in-app purchases. You can earn money by doing something fun on the internet. One of the ways that you can do this is by playing video games. Many people are starting to play games online because they are easier to do than playing games on the computer or console. Number 5. Become a game developer. The game industry is booming, and so is the need for people to create games. You can become a game developer as it has a lot of potential. There are tons of free tools and resources online that teach the basic of game development. You don't need to be an expert programmer either. Many game developers build their games without any expertise at the start. Once you keep moving, You don't need to be an expert programmer either. Many game developers build their games without any expertise at the start. Once you keep moving, you make the way on your own. Meanwhile, it's hard to put a price on your skill set. Many game developers get their start without having received formal education. They may have taught themselves how to develop games through tutorials, blogs, YouTube videos, and so forth. However, even without a college degree, most entry-level game developers can expect to earn $50,000 a year. Conclusion. In conclusion, I'm not convincing you to sell you the idea of playing video games for a living. Instead, I gave you some ideas on how to make money from playing video games. Thanks for watching.